Xiaomi has made a splash in the electric vehicle (EV) market with the announcement of their first car, the SU7 sedan. But a key piece of the puzzle remains shrouded in a bit of mystery: their EV factory. While Xiaomi did unveil photos of a factory supposedly dedicated to the SU7's production, some industry whispers suggest it might be a partnered facility belonging to BAIC, a Chinese automaker. Here's what we know, and what we still wait to see, about Xiaomi's EV production hub. Transparency. Xiaomi has been tight-lipped about the factory's specifics, location, and production capacity. There's some speculation that the company might be partnering with BAIC for manufacturing, which could explain the lack of concrete details about their own facility. Potential benefits. If it is indeed their own factory, a dedicated production line for EVs could give Xiaomi greater control over quality and production speed. This independence could be crucial as they ramp up production and potentially introduce new models in the future. Open questions. Is the unveiled factory truly Xiaomi's own, or a BAIC facility integrated into their production process? What is the factory's production capacity? Can it meet the anticipated demand for the SU7 and future models? How automated and technologically advanced is the production line? Looking ahead, the secrecy surrounding Xiaomi's EV factory creates an air of intrigue. While it's not uncommon for car companies to guard certain details, a more transparent approach could help build trust with potential customers. As Xiaomi gears up for deliveries of the SU7, it will be interesting to see if they shed more light on their EV production capabilities.
Got a feeling in my soul.